Hi, my name is Ariel. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the 5 ways motherhood has changed me. But before we get into the exciting details, I need to mention that this video is a collab with 2 other incredible YouTube moms that are making the exact same video today. So you don't just have 5 ways to learn how motherhood could change a woman, but 15. And 3 different perspectives. That's like a 3-scoop banana split with 15 chocolatey, sweet, drizzled, creamy, and crunchy toppings. Oh, sorry. So when you finish watching this video, make sure to click the links in the description and check out these other ladies and their experiences as well. So the first way motherhood has changed me, I have one word for you: coffee. It's my new way of life. Before I became a mother, I hated coffee. The taste, the smell, the way it made my own mother cranky in the morning, it was awful. Then I became a mom, and suddenly, I saw the light. The latte. Tired doesn't even begin to describe how I felt. I was drained of all life except my babies. And I had to somehow care for this baby on 3 hours of sleep. I needed coffee to survive. I need it! So I forced myself to choke it down so that I could get through each day. And now I'm proud to say that I'm an addict. It's the only addiction that is celebrated worldwide. I am so glad to be a part of this. The second way motherhood has changed me is I have become very protective, causing me to do things I would have never done otherwise. So I've always been terrified of bugs. Once in a while, I plead with God.
Why did you make the creeping things?
And who needs 8 eyes? I do fine with just 2. Well, back in the day when I used to see a bug, honey, I'm not killing it. I'm not only afraid of bugs, I'm afraid of squashing them. Have you ever squashed a beetle? It's gross. Well, now that I'm a mom, unfortunately, my son is terrified of bugs too. Every night he scours every corner of his bedroom looking for a bug, and if he sees one and I don't have time to grab a paper towel, I squash it with my bare hand, and it's disgusting. But I want him to feel safe and protected, so I face my biggest fear in the whole universe. And I'm sure I would with other situations too. A bear? Come at me, bro. Yeah. The third way motherhood has changed me is it's changed the way that I manage time. I've always been good at time management, but when I had a baby, that went out the window. There's a window in neither of those spots. For the first time in like forever, I started showing up late to everything. And it was frustrating and embarrassing. So I learned how to manage my time differently with a child, to which I still use today even with a 3-year-old. It's a little different with a baby though, much more extreme, because you never know when that diaper is gonna blow. And you're much more sleep deprived. So you really don't want to go anywhere or do anything but sleep, which is simply unachievable. So if I had to be somewhere, say 10 a.m., I would have to start getting ready at least 2 hours beforehand. That would give me time to get dressed, put on makeup, maybe shower if I'm lucky, nurse my baby, pack the baby bag, nurse my baby, double check to make sure you packed everything, nurse my baby,
Nurse my baby.
Nurse my baby.
and prepare for diaper blowouts because they happen way too often. And that was the only way I could be on time. But even then you can find yourself being late because you could do everything right and you could have your baby in the car ready to drive away, but that will be the exact moment that they decide to poop. So even to this day, I still have to give myself a good chunk of time to leave to get ready for just in case situations such as tantrums, potty accidents. Do I have enough snacks? Because these little creatures just never stop eating. So yeah, motherhood has changed the way I manage my time significantly. The fourth way motherhood has changed me is my hair is always in a bun. Oh, excuse me. Well, except when I'm filming. Before being a mom, I dressed nice. I always had my hair down. Sometimes I even straightened it. I went shopping often for new clothes. I looked fabulous every day. Yep, that's over. This is how I look on a good day. When you're a mom, you can't wear your hair down, okay? If you got your hair down, you've likely got peanut butter in it. I mean, how are you gonna change a diaper like this? Nobody wants what's in that diaper to be in your hair. Now I'm gonna get serious. It took me to the 5th point to finally get serious with you guys. The 5th way motherhood has changed me is it's made me more lonely.
I'm Mr. Lonely.
I can't go out as freely as I used to be able to anymore, and I'm not really around other adults as much in general. It's not something you'd expect having someone by your side like 24/7, but I've had some rough days, and I have to make sure that I get myself out of the house to see other human beings, you know, the big ones. It's good for our mental health. I mean, we weren't meant to stay at home and hide away from the world as much as everybody wants to believe we are. God created us to be people who lean on one another, and so that socialization is so important, not just for moms, but for people in general. You gotta make time to see people because it keeps you sane as a mom. Now, as I mentioned before, this video is in collaboration with 2 other fun-loving moms on YouTube. So check out their links in the description. I'll give a brief explanation of each person. First, we have Kayt from It Came From a Vlog, an energetic mom who is authentic. She's not about hiding her messy life from the camera like a lot of us tend to do. She will be real with you, and we need more of that on YouTube. Am I right? She also just started this amazing video series where she does clean with me videos while she simultaneously tells you a story such as a mystery or a conspiracy theory, which hooks you the entire time. And I just know it. You're gonna love her. I'm a mind reader, okay? I know. And then we have Luciana from Loquacious Lucy. And I've already mentioned her in a previous video, but I just can't get enough of her. She's that great. What you will find on her channel is her bringing awareness to the challenges of motherhood and womanhood that people just aren't talking about enough. She will be straight up with you, and she doesn't leave anything out. Like nothing. But not only that, she also makes videos that are funny and entertaining, and she always makes me laugh. So check out these beautiful and authentic ladies. Here are their videos. Please click on them, see their perspective on how motherhood has changed them. They might just surprise you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.